Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to disable comments on YouTube videos. To do that, you need to open the YouTube Studio. If you haven't got the YouTube Studio application, then you can also open the YouTube Studio website and do from there. So once you are on the YouTube Studio, you can scroll down and select any video you'd like to turn off or disable the comments on. Once you have selected the video on the YouTube, then on the top of the screen, you can see the pencil-like icon, which is also an edit icon next to the share icon. Tap on it. And when you reach on edit video page, you can tap on more option at the bottom of the screen. When you tap on more options, here is the comments button. Tap on it. Now you can see over here that the comments are enabled. You can toggle on the off button. And now you are successful to disable the comments. Go back again using the top left corner arrow. Go back again, and now you can tap on save button, which is at the upper right corner. So the edits have been saved. That means that you have successfully turned off or disabled the comments on YouTube videos. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.